Hi friends, this is Akshay and welcome to this video on free certificate course opportunities provided by Udemy. Here is the first one, that is Adobe Premiere Pro video editing for beginners. Friends, please watch the full video because I am going to reveal 6 most important courses which must match with your skills. So watch the full video, and here I am going to apply the coupon for first one, that is stay home zone is first coupon for this course, and here stay home zone, and then apply this code, and now this course is freely accessible. Now check out this. After checkout, there is an option to enroll in this course, where you also get the paying option, where we have to no pay because there is no amount for pay. And here we are going to enroll in this course by tapping on enroll now, and now this is my dashboard. This course is freely accessible. Now by going to my courses, you easily start this course. Now we are moving to the next one, that is of introduction to data structures and algorithms. It is the most demanded course. At last time when I am suggested this course, the coupon code is expired soonly, so here it is the next chance to avail this offer. Now I am adding this into my cart, and here is the coupon code. You can see on your screen, it is the long coupon code. I also put these codes in the description below. And here is the next one, aptitude test preparation, the most tricky questions and more. Here you have to must register for this course because aptitude is most important in your placement. If you want placement, then you have to make your aptitude up to date. And here I am going to register for this course, and here is the coupon. Also for this there is coupon free access is coupon for this. And next course is of learn Java and artificial intelligence programming tools. Here you learn artificial intelligence with the programming language Java. You also introduction, it is for beginner level, so this course is started with the introduction to Java programming. And here there are 2 courses in my cart, so we have to remove one because if there is 2 courses then it coupon is not applied. So here I am going to apply the coupon, and you can see on your screen the coupon is. And here is the next course, the Web Development Bootcamp course, and it also is very nice course because all the languages are here, HTML, Java, all the courses, all the languages you find here. And now I am going to apply the coupon to access this freely, and here is the coupon. Be web developer is the coupon code for this. Now I am going to the next course, and next course is also very much important, a guide to ransomware protection. It is very important course. You are also, if you are freshers, then you very less knowledge about this, so you must register in this to get knowledge about this. And here I am going to add this in my cart, and here it is a bill paying option and coupon option. I am going to apply the coupon, and you can see coupon on your screen, that is free coupon free 2 days, and here I am going to apply. So thank you friends for watching this. If you have any query, then you must comment and join me on Instagram.